Good afternoon, dear students. So, today we are going to learn one story about the ant and the pigeon from your English Balbharti textbook. I hope so, students, that you have learned about this story in your junior classes, in your lower classes. Because this story, the ant and the pigeon, this story is very familiar to some of us. Now, what is there in the story that we will read? So, students, can you see this page number 61? In this page number 61, above we can see that there are 6 pictures, and near the picture there are some small circles drawn, and I have written some numbers in that circles. So, do you know why I have written those circles in this numbers in the circle? Because what is the story about? The story is about the ant and the pigeon. But below the pictures we can see some numbers and something written. So this is the story which is written of the ant and the pigeon. So we have to look at the picture, and we have to choose the correct sentence looking at the picture. So here the number 1 picture, near the number 1 picture, we have something written here of number 1. So reading this sentence we can come to know that what picture relates to number 1. Same way number 2. Reading the sentence number 2, we can come to know which is the picture of number 2. Then third one, when we read the number 3 sentence, we will come to know that number 3, where I have written number 3, is the sentence and the picture. These both are same. जो भी नंबर्स वहाँ पे मैंने लिखे हैं सर्कल के अंदर, वो पहले सेंटेंस पढ़ने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि वो पिक्चर्स किससे रिलेट करते हैं. सो आई हैव रिटन करेक्ट नंबर्स नियर द पिक्चर. यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 यहाँ पे जो सब कुछ लिखा है वो ये पिक्चर से रिलेटेड है. वी हैव टू जस्ट पुट अ करेक्ट नंबर नियर द सर्कल सो दैट वी कैन प्रिपेयर अ स्टोरी. So now we will start reading the story number wise. One day an ant fell into a pond and could not come out. Now see here near number 1. Near number 1 we can see that how the ant has fallen into the pond, and who has come to help him? The pigeon has come to help him. So now the ant has fallen into the pond and he is not able to come out of the pond. Now number 2. A pigeon sitting on a tree saw it and decided to help the ant. He threw a leaf into the pond. Now where is number 2? Here. See, I have written number 2 near that picture. So what is there in number 2 sentence? Now the pigeon, he saw that the ant needs the help. The ant has fallen into the pond. So what he did, he went near a tree, and from that tree he threw one leaf into the pond so that he can help the ant. Number 3. The ant climbed onto the leaf and safely came out of the pond. Now see here, in number 3 we can see that the ant has climbed onto the leaf, and with the help of the leaf he is going to come out of the pond. So the pigeon gave the ant a leaf, and with the help of this leaf the ant has come out safely out of the pond. Number 4. After a while a hunter saw the pigeon and aimed at it. Now see where I have written number 4. Here I have written number 4. So in number 4 picture we can see that a hunter has came and he is going to shoot the pigeon. A hunter is going to shoot the pigeon with his gun. Number 5. The ant saw this and quickly climbed up his arm and stung it. See here number 5 picture we can see the ant, he was saved by the pigeon. Who saved the ant? The pigeon saved the ant. Now when the ant came to know that the pigeon is in danger, so he quickly climbed on the arm, on the hand of the hunter, and he stung it, means he bite it very badly on his hand. Because of that, the hunter's gun is falling down. Number 6. The hunter screamed in pain. He missed his aim. The pigeon heard his scream and flew away. See your number 6 picture. You can see how the pigeon is flying happily. So, because of the ant, now the life of pigeon was saved. Because the ant came and he bite the hand of the hunter so badly that his gun fell down and he was not able to aim at the pigeon, and the pigeon's life was saved. When the pigeon came to hear that the hunter is shouting, he began to fly happily and his life was also saved. So what we learnt in this story? We learned that there was one ant one day and he has fallen into the pond, and a pigeon saw him and he gave one leaf to the ant so that he can climb on the leaf and come out of the water. So with the help of that leaf, the ant came outside of the water and his life was saved. But after some time, a hunter came in the jungle and he was going to shoot the same pigeon who helped the ant. So what did the ant do? The ant, he quickly climbed on the hand of the pigeon, on the hunter, and he bited that hunter. He bite that hunter so badly that his gun fell down and he was not able to shoot the pigeon. Because of this, the pigeon, he was also saved and he also flew away happily. So we learned from this story that we should help everyone, whether they are big or small. If they need our help, we should always help them, because if one day we will help others, so after some time the other person will also help us for sure. So always help everyone. Thank you.